Hey you guys, I'm going to show you another craft that you can do at home if you have the materials. Now this is one you might not be able to do yourself. This is a kind of craft that you want to do with your mom or your dad or your grandma or whoever you live with. And it's going to be a way you can make a cool, colorful piece of paper. So we need a tray, and you can see it's the kind of tray that has raised up sides. It's not just flat, so it could hold liquid. We need some water, we need chalk, we need a butter knife. I have just a plastic butter knife. This isn't a sharp knife or a pointy knife. You don't want to use the kind of knife that you could hurt yourself with, just a butter knife. And you need paper. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put my water in the tray carefully. This you might want to have a grown-up do. So here's my brother's cool Thanos mug. And I want to make sure that the whole tray has water in it, but that it's not all the way up to the top. And I'm going to roll up my sleeves because this might be a little bit messy. Now I'm going to pick a few colors of the chalk, and here's what I'm going to do, watch. I'm going to scrape it carefully with the knife. So it's hard to see on the video, but chalk dust is coming off of the chalk and it's going onto the water. And you want to scrape off a whole lot. You don't want to saw it like this because then you'll break your chalk. But you want to be careful not to break it and just scrape off a whole lot of color. And I'm going to use, I think I'll use some green. I could use all the colors if I wanted to, but I'm going to use just a few colors. And I might use some purple. And I'm going to try and do this kind of fast because if I take too long, the chalk dust is going to start to sink to the bottom and it won't do what we want it to do. So I hope I have enough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the paper and I'm going to drop it right on top of the water. And then I'm going to pull it back up. And I'm going to let it drip for a second, and then I'm going to show you, but you can kind of see I didn't do a whole lot of chalk because I don't want to take a long time with this video, but look. It's colorful. It's got colors on it. And if I added more chalk, it would be even more colorful. But this is just to show you how to do it. And now I'm going to put it someplace flat to dry. And then you can do another one and another one. You can do however many you want. And you can do anything with that paper. If you remember the origami videos I showed you, you could use this paper to make cool origami. Or you could draw on it and use the color as the background, or you could cut it up and make collages, where you cut pieces of paper and glue them together. You could do anything with it. Or you could just make a really pretty piece of paper and hang it up on your fridge. But that's a fun project you can do at home with your family. And if you guys try it, we would love to see it if you want to send it on Dojo. Bye!